Alright, so for me, the 2021 F350, it's a 10 millimeter for the front bolt. Remove it. The instruction says it was a 30 Torx. Why is a 10 millimeter bolt? Sorry. New at taking these videos for how-tos. 10 millimeter bolt. Instructions said 5.5 millimeters for these other ones. I don't have a 5.5, but a 7/32 works. These you do not remove, you just loosen. There's 1, 2. I just bring them out about a 1/4 inch. 2, 3. 4. The instructions did not say loosen these. I noticed on the driver's side it was easier if I loosened these also. Just a little bit. That lets the interior one move just a little bit. Okay, so I have this one, this one, this one, this one loosened. These two loosened. You take your wheel well liner, slide it up in there. Slide it in aft first, then you can slide it up and in on behind the middle up here around the 4 bolts we loosened. Once those 4 are in, put your 10 mil back in up front. Finding the hole is difficult because you have to slide it up in, or you have to force it up in there a little bit to get everything lined up. Okay, instead of boring you with me tightening everything up, so we'll tighten the 4 screws back up, install that 10 mil. There's a clip that will go here and a clip that will go here, and that will hold that in. We got to tighten these 2 screws and it's done. And then if you it'll look like this when it's done. There's those clips I was talking about. So this is the driver's side I did earlier. Tighten it up, and now you have the plastic wheel well liners in, not the carpet ones.